Alright, just to reiterate, I found out that this is the right, that this can be used, this clutch, but I could not use the basket. But everything, the clutch plates and everything, new springs, torque the crown back down to about 50 pounds. I mean, it's as much as I could do alone. I need somebody over there holding on to that because almost got it ready to click, but not quite. I may still have some slippage. If I do, I know where to set it, but I think this will do me better. I should be able to get above 40 mile an hour. I am so hoping. Anyway, now to make the gasket, but I'm sore. I gotta take a break.